Video, I want to show you guys on how you can be able to trade meme coins, all the steps you need and the analysis you need to start trading meme coins. If you are interested, make sure you stick till the end of this video and don't forget to subscribe. Like this video as we continue. So in Dex Screener, if you are yet to install Dex Screener, make sure you go to Play Store and install Dex Screener, right? So I want to do analysis on this new meme coin called Extractor, right? /91. This is a new meme coin, right? I'm not telling you to go and maybe just long this coin in the market currently or start buying this coin. I'm just using this pair to do analysis, right? I'm not telling you to go and invest in this particular coin. I'm just trying to give you the secret of trading meme coins. So if you scroll down right here, you will see all these steps. Let me tap and show you something. We have pair, right? We have pair, we have pool, we have pool sold, we have pair again. This is like contract, right? The contract address. So let's scroll up. I want to show you guys something. Let's scroll up, right? This meme coin you're seeing right here, if you check currently on this chart, you will see that the first thing you will see is the price, right? Is the price. Let me delete this. This is the price of the token currently in the market. This is the price of the token in USDT, right? And this is the price of the token in Solana. I hope you guys are understanding, right? And also, if you check currently, you see that this one right here is how much the coin went down in the last 5 minutes. And if you check right here is how much the coin went up in the last 1 hour, right? This one also is around 6 and this one also is around 24 hours. So people that bought this coin 24 hours ago are on profit like 1250x. What do I mean? Like if you bought this coin maybe with 20 USDT, by now you will have made like nothing less than 2000 USDT, right? 2000 USDT. You know how much is that in naira? I saw a coin today that gave somebody $66,000 with only 20 USDT. So meme coins can be crazy. I posted that on my WhatsApp group. Meme coin can be crazy. Meme coin can make you rich overnight, and meme coin can also make you poor, right? It can take you to your village immediately. So you have to be careful while trading all these coins. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so that you're going to know all the analysis you need. In this current market, you will see the buyers, right? These are among the people that are buying in the current market. We have 38,128 people that are buying this particular meme coin currently, right? As people are buying, we also have like 32,950 people selling, which means people are buying, people are selling. But if you check according to the current market, you will see that the buyers are more often than the sellers, right? Buyers plenty past the sellers currently. So if you are talking about buying volume, you see that the buying volume is equal to the selling volume, which means the market is still moving up. The current volume is around 7.1 million USDT, right? Is right here. You can see it right here. 7.1 million USDT. And the current market makers is around 11,147 people, right? People are really trading this meme coin, right? So guys, let's scroll down. How can we confirm that this coin is legit? It's first by checking about liquidity. What do we mean by liquidity? This lock liquidity, it means that these people cannot just wake and run with your money, or maybe withdraw the liquidity and just leave the token like that, right? You know, if people withdraw, if these creators, or let me say developers, just withdraw their funds from this token, the token will crash immediately. But with this lock liquidity, there's no way they are going to just crash the coin immediately. It's not going to work that way, right? So any lock liquidity, you must see this padlock, right? This padlock right here. Without this padlock is a red flag. Any coin you want to invest in, if you are not seeing lock liquidity like this, just know that that coin can crash at any damn time. So make sure that the coin you're trading, the pair you're trading, it has this lock liquidity, at least 20,000 USDT, at least, right? And also, don't go and buy coin that is above maybe 500,000 lock liquidity or more than that, because market capitalization, I mean, if you go buy coin that is maybe around 100 million market cap, that coin can easily crash. At least buy coin with little market cap and also liquidity, right? So this liquidity means that this coin is legit, but that is not the only confirmation we are going to have. Sorry about my voice. So that is not the only confirmation we are going to have. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to scroll down, right? Let's scroll down and tap on do more research about this token. So how can we do more research? These people have website and also they have Twitter handle. So let's go to Twitter. Let's go to Twitter and check how possible this coin can go far. Let's check according to developers and see how the kind of community they have. So you can see right here they have 1,000 1.2 thousand members, right? Which means the coin can actually do well. The coin can actually go well. So let's go back, right? The coin can actually do well in the market. What I want you guys now to check again is how many people are holding this particular token, right? That is very, very important. How many people are holding this particular token? Now, for us to confirm that, we have to tap right here. This place you're seeing right here. Let's tap this place. This place you're seeing right here. You tap on it. If you are yet to install Dex Screener, right, make sure you go to Play Store and install Dex Screener. That is the application you are going to use to do all this analysis. So if you tap right here, you are going to see TXNS and then also top traders, right? These are the top traders currently. You see that people are buying and selling, right? This particular token, people are buying and selling. But if you come right here, you will see holders, right? Any coin that you want to trade on Dex Screener, make sure that this coin at least have nothing less than 200 holders, right? Not only about the holders, how many people hold the most of that token. So let's check it out. I'll just click on these holders, right? Let me click on holders. Once you click on holders, if you scroll, you are going to see that in this particular token, 4,208 people are holding this token, are trading this meme coin currently in the market, right? But that is not all. We have to check how many people are, how many percentage all these traders are holding. If you check the first person right here, is holding 6.35%, right? This is it right here, 6.35%, which is a good coin to buy, to invest on. The reason why we are confirming this checkup is because if you see some tokens in this Dex Screener, the owners, all these scamming tokens, the owners will hold like maybe 50%, which they can easily, the investors are holding like 50%, which they can easily dump the market. Imagine if they are holding 60% or 50%, right? Or even 40. In fact, 30 is a red flag. Imagine if they are holding that large amounts of token. If they decide to sell at once, the market will just go down deep and you're going to lose a lot of money. That is why we are advising you guys, if you want to invest in any token, make sure at least the top holder is holding nothing less than 20%. So you can see that this token is a fan token. A lot of people are buying this meme coin, right? They are not much people are, even the developer is not holding that much. All the investors are holding little amount of this token, which is actually very good to get to invest your money into, because if this coin want to crash, it's not going to crash at the same time. It will even give you time to withdraw your money or maybe cut off your loss, right? This is how to do analysis, right? This is the kind of analysis you need to trade meme coin. And also, if you want to have one robot, there's also robots where you can search on how you see new meme coins that are just coming on the screener, and you actually trade them to make profit, right? I also have that robot link, and I'm going to drop that. Just drop comments. I'm going to give you that tip for free, right? That robot is going to help you, to drop signals for you on how you can be able to get signals on meme coins and get profits daily. If you know you really enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. Turn the notification button so that whenever I drop any update, you will be notified. If there's anything you don't know, or maybe you don't understand about this video, hit me up. I'm going to enlighten you about it. I'll see you guys in the next update. Thank you.